Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook curry shrimp Jamaican style. To begin, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of raw shrimp, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. For the authentic flavor, grab 2 tablespoons of Jamaican curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Also, have 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and fresh thyme sprigs on hand. Next, let's prepare our shrimp. Carefully clean and devine 1.5 pounds of shrimp, deciding whether to keep the tails on for a beautiful presentation. In a medium bowl, toss the cleaned shrimp with 1 tablespoon of your Jamaican curry powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. Mix well to coat every piece. Now, let these flavorful shrimp marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing them to soak up all those wonderful spices. Now, let's build our rich curry sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become tender and aromatic. Stir in the remaining 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, cooking for just 1 minute to toast the spices. Finally, pour in the full can of creamy coconut milk. Add a few sprigs of fresh thyme and the whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. To finish, bring your fragrant curry sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to deepen and combine. Now, carefully add your marinated shrimp to the simmering sauce, ensuring each piece is submerged. Cook the shrimp for only 3 to 5 minutes, or just until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Be careful not to overcook them. Before serving, remove the Scotch bonnet pepper and garnish your delicious Jamaican curry shrimp with fresh chopped scallions or cilantro. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.